Guys, and what is up? So today I wanted to do a quick little unboxing of my Boxy charm. The only thing that I did is break the seal so I could open it up with y'all. This is my first ever like makeup subscription box. I'm gonna try it out. We'll see if I like it or not. I'm not sure. I'm not like huge into makeup, but you know, I do like makeup. I'm a girly girl, so it happens. But let's go ahead and dive in. So you open it, Boxy charm. And it comes with the paper and the things that it includes. So it comes with a palette, Tula Skincare, Tristique Eye Duo, Glamier Pink Luxe Glitter Brush Collection, Beauty Pore Effect Primer. And it has the prices of what they normally go for. And I believe I paid, goodness, I don't even know. I think I got like a coupon code for it. This is the EVO Beauty, the Perfect Primer. And it's this one right here. It's the Poreless Deep Exfoliating. No, that's not it. It's this one. It's the Moisturizing Primer with a matte finish that will create a smooth base for your foundation and help it last all day. With everyday use, your skin will experience the benefits of great ingredients like green tea, to soothe the skin and minimize the appearance of pores while reducing any redness. That is really cool because I actually suffer a lot from pores, and that just goes from having like acne scars from growing up. Just I would have really bad breakouts. So this I think would be really good. I cannot open this. I have no strength. I have rheumatoid arthritis, so I'm having a little bit of a flare-up because it is so cold outside, and it was raining yesterday, so I'll have to try this out in a little bit. But that is what I have. The next thing is the Tristique. Oh, this is a duo. It's the Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. So that is this one. Cool. This is normally $32 and this is normally $23. Okay, this thing is massive. What the heck? Tristique. I don't even know how to use this. Okay. What in the world? And it says flip down to curl. What? I'm so confused. Okay, so there's that. Oh, it comes with like an eyelash curler. Okay, interesting. So that's really good for like on the go because you have your eyelash curler and then you have, your mascara, and it has this kind of brush, so I would assume this would be giving like fuller lashes. Then it comes with like a little pencil, which interesting. So this is what it looks like. Wow, that is so cool because it has like, it looks like it doesn't have a lid, but you remove the lid and it reveals this. So that is really cool. And it's black. So I actually use black, so that is perfect. That's really neat. And then the next thing we have here is the Tula Skincare. I've always wanted to try Tula, so I'm really excited to actually try this. This is the So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. Got pores, get this, created with powerhouse ingredients like pink salt, volcanic salt, and witch hazel. This scrub helps target blackheads to deeply purify and minimize the look of pores, and it's normally $32. So it's just this. I've always wanted to try Tula, but they're so expensive, so I would always skip on it. Again, I'm not going to be able to open this because my fingers hurt, but this is nice. And I believe this is cruelty-free from what I recall. Yeah, cruelty-free. So that is good. So that's what we have. And then we have cute. These are the brushes. So these are the Glamier Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. And these are retail for $29.95. I'll be honest, I don't think I've ever bought an expensive brush set. I think I bought, my brush set has to be like a couple years old, but they've lasted me forever and they're pretty good. But these are Glamier. Look how cute, you guys. So like they have little hearts in here. I don't know if you can see, but look. Adorable. This would be so cute for like Valentine's Day. Oh, adorable. So it comes with 4 brushes, and these are supposed to be for eyes. So like applying like eyeshadow or anything like that, blending the eyeshadows. And it comes with this cute little pouch, which would be perfect for traveling. So that is good. And then this is the last thing. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the last thing that we have. And this is the Ace Beauty, Ace Beauty Nostalgia Palette. The Nostalgia Palette consists of 15 colors meant to inspire fun and creativity, as well as make you feel nostalgic about some awesome past fun times. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and most excellent color payoff. And this is retail for $38.99. Cute. So it comes in this little box. Okay, hopefully I can take this out because you guys, my hands are just not working for me today. I'm gonna have to grab something to open it. Hold on. Okay, so I got it opened. Let's go ahead and open it up. I did kind of damage it with like the X-Acto knife that I grabbed, but look how cute. So pretty. Love these colors of the box. Let's see the inside. Wow, these are bright. How cute. Wow, these are so bright. They're gorgeous. I'm more of a neutrals person, but I definitely feel like I could use a lot of like these colors. Even like this one. These maybe not so much, like these super bright ones, but I can definitely try it out. I feel like usually in the makeup world, you see people, I'm gonna put this on top of it so you're not constantly seeing a reflection of it, but is doing like swatches. So let's try swatching these. So that is just like super light and neutral. I will say this is pretty chalky. Sorry, I got on my hand. But it's so cute. Wow, cute. Okay, now let's do this. Okay. Let me go grab a makeup remover wipe so I can actually finish these colors off. I'm sorry, my tattoo, but that is that. Let me go grab a makeup remover wipe. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I cleaned off my hands. I'm just going to go on over on this side just because my tattoos are in the way. So I don't want to like ruin the color. You know, you're not going to be able to get the real effect of it. So the next color would be this one, which is called Heat. Oh, I don't think this is like right. It like smeared off. That's so weird. Anyways, okay. Wow, that is really pretty though. Cute. Wow, you guys, look how pigmented these are. Crazy. I feel like you don't get a lot of, like you get a lot of color, but It's a little chalky, but not too much. Cute. Okay, let me remove this and I'll be right back. All right, so here we are. I went ahead and cleaned off my hands as best as possible. So the next color we have is a flower. Oh, that's like, you need more. Not too bad. Just a light pink. Then we have vacation. Wow, that is so bright. And then we have flip-flops. Like, you guys, look how crazy that is. Oh my gosh. That's so bright. And then we have carnival. Wow. And the last one is called hiking. Awesome. Look at all the colors I have on my hands. Okay, so let me remove these from my hand. It's so weird. I'll show this color up close. I don't know if it was like not done properly or something, but it's so weird. Okay, so right here we have, this is peach. This is popsicle. This is stargazing. This is theme park. Water slide. And then over here we have heat, raspberry, picnic, camping, fun, flower, vacation, flip-flops, carnival, and hiking. Cute. Okay, now I can kind of like remove these, I hope, because I think it's gonna be hard to remove these colors. Okay, so let me show you all of this up close. I don't know if you can see how like it just came off, like it's interesting, but maybe it's just the way it's pressed on. Maybe it wasn't properly applied, but it's so cute. I can see myself wearing like some of these colors, maybe not like the super bright ones, but I could definitely use like some of these, those, you know, so it's really cute. I really do love it. I am really excited about trying these three things. So this is what I think I'm most excited about, and also the Tula. So basically everything except for this, I'm gonna use these, but I don't think like they'll won't replace like what I already use. So it's like those, but I'm most excited about these. I'm not a huge eyeshadow person. I wear like really neutral colors, so I think that's the reason for that. I'm more like skincare and eye makeup. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe. And also, if you want to see me use any of these products, definitely let me know. And I will talk to y'all later. Bye.